Hey guys, this is Fundo on Shupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, please like, comment, and subscribe. Zagiti confessed to Shira about the video and the accident, and Shira suggests to Maharaj that they use this information as leverage to losing the Bengu trip on Maluti. While Mzwandile received a word from one of Sakile gangster members that Zitulelwe will be murdered the following day, and it seems like Mzwandile is shocked about this news for ki- for killing Zitulele. While the family spectacular what Machingwana means when he says that Pagate cannot Imbelego figure. Doubting arising about whether Fikile is Nolotzi's child. Kulego take a turn for the worse. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.